When packing for the 2024 EOS Conference in San Diego, it's crucial to remember to bring your essentials. Bring a swimsuit, flip-flops, and things to enjoy the hotel pool. Also bring walking shoes and running shoes. There's great activities all around the hotels along the waterfront. You'll also want to bring all of your orange for our reception, business casual attire, and your business cards, and a journal to take notes. And don't forget to leave space in your suitcase for EOS swag. Arriving in beautiful San Diego, the weather sometimes goes from chilly in the morning to warm during the day and crisp at night, so a few business casual options are recommended. The hotel is located just a hop, skip, and a jump from the airport, but it's under construction, so give yourself extra time so you can arrive, unpack, and get ready to start learning and living your best EOS life yet.